Hello, little coders. Today, we're going to learn something super cool with Python. And guess what? It will only take 2 lines of code. Are you ready?
Okay, let's say we want to make a list of our favorite fruits. In Python, a list is like a magic basket where you can put lots of things together.
Here comes the first line of code.
Create a basket called fruits and put in apple, banana, and cherry. Now, second line. Let's see what's inside our basket.
Boom! Python shows us apple, banana, and cherry.
First, make a list with square brackets. Second, print it to see the magic. Now you try. Can you make a list of your favorite colors? Maybe blue, red, and yellow. Here's what it could look like.
Yay, you did it! Remember, coding is fun when we learn little by little.